In the wild skies above the ocean, speed decides survival. The peregrine falcon, the fastest hunter on Earth.
It scans the world from above, searching for the perfect target.
Below, a seagull glides calmly, unaware of the danger rising from the sky.
But the falcon has already locked on.
This is the moment where speed becomes a weapon. The seagull feels the shadow of death behind it.
A battle of agility begins. Sharp turns, sudden drops, wild bursts of speed.
The falcon's power is impossible to outrun. With the ocean below, the seagull makes one desperate move.
The falcon responds with a strike faster than any creature alive.
One perfect hit, precise and unstoppable. Talons lock. The hunt ends mid-air. In nature, every victory is earned. Every strike is a survival story. The sky belongs to the fastest. And today, the falcon rules.